This video tutorial explains the process for lecture attendance for EDAR241. So there are two lectures that are timetabled for EDAR241. You have got one that is in Christ Lecture Theatre, and you've got one that is in the Philippa Brazil auditorium. Now, depending on whether you're in Group A or you're in Group B, that determines where you start your lectures for the semester. In order to work out whether you're in Group A or you're Group B, you need to watch the Understanding the EDAR241 tutorial allocations video. So once you've watched that video, you will be able to find out whether you're in Group A or Group B. And then depending on that, that is when you work out where you attend your lectures throughout the semester. So if you're in Group A, which means you're starting with music, you attend your first six weeks of lectures in the Christ Lecture Theatre. And if you're in Group B, so you're starting the semester with visual arts, you attend your first 6 weeks of lectures in the Philippa Brazil auditorium. And then at the week 7 point, you would obviously swap around.